Welcome back. Today we will be fishing for northern pike. Let's get it.
Purchase your tracks today.
So after that fish, the bite really slowed down. I fished for another hour with absolutely no luck. So then I decided to move up north to a beach that I've had success in the past with. And so then after casting the red and white spoon again for about 3 casts, this is what happened. So once again, after that fish, the bite really slowed down. So then I went back to the old spot and started throwing a lipless crankbait. It was blue and silver, so I hoped that the sun would reflect off of it and the fish would see it from a long ways away, being as the water wasn't the clearest on that day. Anyway, this is what happened. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. We are so close to 100 subscribers, so please like and share, that way we can get there. Thanks guys, peace.